I need the Foxtoberfest staff. Do not open that trailer yet. I need the Foxtoberfest staff. I need Jen. If you hear me, it's now your time. Even if it may be we about 7 minutes early. We're supposed to start this at 11. To be early is to be on time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you go to work late, you're gonna get fined. Put your hands together for Jen, you all. I'm gonna say this one more time. It's over 1,000 people here because of this one lady's vision. I'm gonna ask you all kindly. Put your hands together for Jen, everybody. All right. You've been waiting for this for a long time. Back at Ponies and the Smokies in March, some guys by the name of Vinnie and Carl wanted to do something special for this young lady. She is the founder of Foxtoberfest. She's the reason that we're all able to bring these Fox bodies together. And you all, this is the biggest Fox body event in the world. I'm gonna say that again. The biggest Fox body event in the world. Over 32 registered states. Some people came from Mexico. Some people came from Canada. And it's all over the world. And if you all see this field, it is packed from beginning to end. So one more time, I need you all to put your hands together for this young lady. With that being said, she's been waiting for this moment a long time. When Vinnie and Carl, who are right there, picked up this car at Pitts, this car was a hot mess. I'm sorry. It was a hot mess. It was dented up. The paint was peeling. Everything was terrible. But Vinnie and Carl decided to take this car and literally redo it, rehab it all for her. And on today, for the first time in Foxtoberfest history, she's about to have one of the baddest Fox bodies at her own event. Are we ready to do the reveal? Are y'all ready to see the reveal? Let's get it. Hold on, she got a speech. Hold on. She got a pre-speech before she cries.
Yes, I decided to do a speech before I see the car because there is no talking after I see the car.
Get your towels.
First of all, thank you Ken and Lauren for debuting the baddest Fox bodies of 2024. Have you guys enjoyed their show so far? Yeah.
Y'all better do better than that. Y'all not come back next year. Clap again, y'all.
Okay, and then secondly, I'd like to thank all of you for being here today to watch me cry in public. So this show is actually a celebration of our connection to these cars. But it's also a celebration of our connections to each other. And Project Peaches is really a celebration of the connection between Vinnie Allegretta and Carl Melendez, who are the leads on this project. Vinnie and Carl are the leads on this project, and they live an hour from each other in New York. But they didn't meet in New York. They met here at Foxtoberfest in 2022 and have been inseparable ever since.
They don't know who you're looking at, so they can come out.
Yeah. Let's go. Come on, Carl.
This is Carl Melendez. Yes.
Thank you, Jen.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
My glasses.
They came up with the idea to rebuild Peaches as a token of their gratitude for their connection to one another. And they, in March, they picked up my bone stock 1990 Georgia SSP named Peaches. She's named that because she's my Georgia Peach. And she's been my daily driver for 5 years. And her oil was leaking. It literally took 4 quarts of oil to get me from Charlotte to Pitts to deliver the car to them. And the oil was leaking, it had a dent in the fender, the rear end needed to be rebuilt, the interior was ripped and faded. She was, as Ken and Sean said, a hot mess. And she definitely needed some love, and that's exactly what they gave her. And in fact, as soon as the project was announced, so much love in the form of sponsorships started pouring in from places like LMR and UPR. Old friends immediately started showing up, like Adam from Canapolis Engine, Travis from Classic LEDs, Keith at K Designs, Jason from Maker's Garage, Darren at New Rad, Tom Clark from Stiflers and Cinesbuilt, Adam at Carter's Customs, Michael from 417 Fox, and Matt from Fox Mustang Restoration. Then new friends like John Kovaska, Matt from Fox Locks, Mikey Siddons from A&D Upholstery, Ryan from FFP Customs showed up. And my friend Bill Tumas brought in Steeda and Bear Brakes. I know it took a lot of focus and coordination to get this project ready in only 6 months. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart and all of the sponsors for making this happen. I know that so much love.
Here she goes.
I know that so much love went into this project, and I just want you to know that every time I drive this car, it'll feel like a big hug from the community. Thank you.
One more thing. Hold on. Hold on. Let me see that. Before you do that. Can y'all hear me? Can y'all do me a favor? I normally wouldn't do this, but can y'all stretch y'all hands towards Jim? I'm gonna pray for her real quick. Can you stretch your hands towards her? The reason why this moment is important is because I know that you have been through a lot in the last few years. And so this is bigger than a car. This is a community of people coming together to honor you on today. And so, God, we just thank you right now for being a great God, a wonderful God, a mighty God. We thank you that you thought to put it in Vinnie and Carl's heart to be a blessing to Jen on today. Jen has brought thousands of people together, God, for unity and friendships and relationships are established. So on today, I pray that she will receive joy that she never received before, peace that she's never received before, love that she's never received before, and everything that was broken prior to today will be healed, fixed, restored, and renewed, and that she will experience life like she's never experienced before. In Jesus' name, come on, you all put your hands together. Now, as we open this trailer, I need you all to say it with me. Peaches, 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 peaches. I hope it ain't burnt up. Peaches, peaches, peaches. It's calm a little bit there now. Look at the smoke. It is not the exhaust. We put a smoke machine in there, y'all, for the reveal.
That's a trailer from New York.
Well, that's definitely won the burnout contest. There we go. Now, I want you all to pay attention to this trailer. This is a different type of trailer. I want you all to pay attention on how this car is going to come out. They can't see in there. Go play some interest music. We are the champions, my friend. Oh, y'all ain't gonna sing it with me? Yeah, no, this crowd is terrible. All right, here we go. He can't even find the keys. Sorry, Jen. We should have prayed till the trailer opened. Sorry, Jen. Somebody gets. Yeah, I can't even see. Oh, Lord. I know. I should have prayed for the smoke machine. My Lord. All right, here we go, you all. It's rolling out. It's rolling out. Come on. Almost. Come on. Peaches. 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 They put a car club on. I wasn't even ready. Just when you thought. Be ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wait. You gotta wait till it's all the way out, y'all. 10. 9. 8, 7, 6.5, 5-ish, 4.3, 2, 1. Y'all just painted this yesterday. You all see the flake on that paint? Come on, Jen, come look at this car. Look at the peach. Look. What does the emblem say, Jen? Foxy events. Look at the paint, Jen.
Oh my God.
Look at the paint, Jen. Look at the paint. Yes. Jen, I want you to take a look at your brakes, Jen. Nope. Those are not stock box body brakes at all. Those say Bear.
Oh my God, you put the mesh on it.
Look at the 5.0, Jen. What is in that O? Look at the O.
Oh
Look at the O.
God.
You all, we got a peach in the O. We got a peach in the 5.0. Jen, I need you to look at that interior. Look at that. Look at that custom interior, Jen.
Let me open the door. Come here. Come to the side.
Oh my God.
Look at the door panels, Jen. What does that say? Peaches!
Oh my God.
Mike made that.
So cute.
Incorporated the zippers like you want.
Look at the seats.
Look at the seats, Jen. Look at the backside. Look at the headliner. You see the zip on the head. Look at the headliner closely. You see the zip. Look at the head. Oh yeah, get in it for the first time, Jen. Get in it.
Oh my God.
Can y'all put your hands together for Jen again? Come on, y'all, put your hands together. I want you to think about if this was you right now. How would you feel right now? Hey, say it again. What? We love you, Jen. One more time on 3. 1, 2, 3.
We love you, Jen. Wow.
You should probably start it up. Start it up. We want to hear it. Fire it up. Start it.
Oh my God.
All right, we want to know how you feel. Come on, step on out. We want to know how you feel. We got to do one more thing. We got to pop this hood, you all. Can you all back up for me? We got to pop this hood.
Scoot out. Ready?
You ready? You ready? Wow. Foxy events on the intake. Wow.
Jen, check the hole.